We're doing a review on the Shinken Rangers, known as the Samurai Rangers here in America. And I'm just going to do all of them here real quick. Here's the gold. He's pretty cool. Really good articulation on him too. And his paint job's great. He's got his Barracuda blade here. And I don't know what these are. Some kind of hand blades. But they're really, really amazing. They're the best weapons I've seen. Detail wise. Posability, we'll do it just on him. His foot goes all the way around. His legs go way out there. He's got some moving here and at the chest. It'll go left or right a little bit, not much at all. His arm goes up. He's got a rotating socket for the shoulder as well. It's pretty much like a real person. That's why you can get these things in the coolest poses. But this is gold. And he's got a little spot here because there's his Barracuda blade all squished up can go in there. We'll do the weapons for these guys because they're pretty amazing. We've got his Barracuda blade in its sheath. And here's one of him pulling it out. It's stuck in there, but it looks like he's pulling his Barracuda blade out. He's got a bunch of hands. He's got a wheel. I guess it goes on the sword that comes with the red. And then he's got this awesome, his little mini sword. And that thing looks amazing. And it's got no movement whatsoever. He's got his lantern. Really cool. And his octopus, I guess. Oh no, I can't get it out. There we go. And its thing on the bottom there rotates. That's pretty cool. Okay. Then we've got, let's do red. Got Shinken red here. The same, they're all the same posabilities. I'm not going to do that again. Their face masks are really cool. He's got a little thing right here, all the rest of the Rangers, where it holds their sword. And they all come with one of these swords. Let's do his weapons. Now his box is pretty big. Here's his sword. Thing's huge compared to him. Look at that thing, head to toe on him. I know he's not exactly standing up, but even if he was, thing's huge. The wheel spins, and I think that's all it really does. I guess you can put the other rings in this little area right here. It looks like it holds them. And as for the rest of his accessories, he has his pocket Zord. They all come with their pocket Zord. It's really super tiny, but it's cool. And then it comes with it sealed up, and then it comes with their writing pen that they use to write their little symbols in the air. And they all come with those. Let's do green. Green's pretty cool. His mask is awesome. His helmet shape is pretty unique. It's kind of boxy. And his weapon is super awesome. And super long. Super long. No, it doesn't do anything on it or anything. But here's him. let's see. He just came with his Bear Zord pocket things, just like everybody else. I'm not going to bother taking them out. Because if you watch the show, you know what they look like. And let's do blue. He's my favorite. His mask is the coolest. His point for the helmet. See that point? Pretty cool. His helmet shape's cool. If I had to wear a costume, it would be this one. And he comes with an awesome weapon. A bow and arrow. Check out that thing. Is that awesome or what? That thing spins. And this is how big it looks against him. Goes up pretty high. And he's got tons of hands. They all have hands that can specifically hold these things. And I'm going to pull out his Zord, because his sword is awesome. Blue Dragon. Whoops, dropped him. Doesn't matter. Pick him up later. He's super tiny. Yellow. Her paint job is awesome. And she's got a really cool specialty weapon. And on her weapon, she's got the little symbol. It's like super tiny. And I don't know if this thing rotates. Oh, it does. It rotates. I'm not going to keep rotating it. And it's got her little disc underneath there. I don't know. Might pop off, might not. I'm not going to mess with it. But I was disappointed when I got her because you can't see it on the camera, but she's got a big old scratch right across her face. You can barely see it. You can barely make it out. Wasn't happy with that at all. And I already have her specialty item out. They all come with, I'll do it with her. They all come with, the girls at least, they come with these pieces right here, and they replace the skirt. You just, I guess, pop them in half and you can replace the skirt, so they have like more posability. I will show you the posability on her since she's a girl. A little bit different, just a little bit because of the skirt. Her leg can go that high. That's pretty high. They got this slit right here built into the dress, and it'll fall back seamlessly if her leg goes down far enough. You just tuck it back under. Go really far back, really far forward, but again it kind of like separates the dress. But I think it's more than enough posability. Now let's do the red. As far as I know, she's not in the American season. I don't really know what the deal is with that. She's really super cool. I think she's a little bit shorter than the guy. Maybe. They have these things slightly protruded. Same exact mask. And they look cool fighting together. And her weapon is the same as the guys. The red guys. It's just giant sword. Exact same as the other one. She doesn't come with the little Zord that this guy came with. Little pocket Zord. Because she's from the Japanese, I guess. Like, I don't know. She just doesn't come with one. The little pocket Zord. She comes with the rider, though, to still ride her symbol in the air. And then lastly, pink. She's coolest. Her paint job, at least. Her fan is really cool. We'll see the other side of it. It's got that big old symbol on it. The wheel probably turns. Maybe it doesn't. No, the wheel doesn't turn. Pretty cool. And of course she comes with a sword. They all come with the swords. Perfect detail on all of them. There's nothing I don't like on her except for right here on the belt that goes across her chest. It's got a little pink. A little bit of white on it. You can kind of see the smudge. That was the only complaint I had about her. And she comes with her turtle pocket Zord, which is turned around, and then the pocket Zord put together, and of course the pen. And a bunch of cool hands, as well as those things that help her legs pose better. And I should be getting Juzo in June. He is Cole that you saw at the beginning of the video, the big giant statue. And he's known as Decker in the American season. Should be getting him then. We'll do a review on him then. He'll be really cool. Really looking forward to that one.